Okay. Woo. Guess what? It's cruise day and we are on the Mariner of the Seas. Me and Chloe are going to have 5 days of fun on the Mariner of the Seas. So stick with me. My name is Toy. You are watching Traveling with Toy, and let's get into it. What's up, guys? So we are sailing away. I am kind of missing the sail away party, but I'm gonna head up there right now. But I do have a ocean view and we are sailing away. Look us in the background. The Wish is in the background. They have not left yet. They're like, I think the Wish is bougie. They're like, let all the other ships go and then we'll go. We're making our own departure, okay? So anyways, all right, we're gonna go see what the Mariner of the Seas' sail away party is about. Catch you on the deck.
Woo!
Okay. So just at first glance, you know, the Mariner is cool. Mariner is okay. It's smaller ship than Independence, but it is what it is. Alright, so I'm going to try the pizza. Let me show you how it looks. It looks good. It's hot though, so I haven't eaten it yet, but I will let y'all know how it tastes. Hey guys, just letting you know there is a Starbucks on Mariner of the Seas on deck 4. Isn't that such a pretty view? Yes, so I'm laying down in the bed because I am tired. I'm so sleepy. Just pretty much waiting to eat because I don't know. It was a long day, long travel day, and I need to get rest. But I did explore the ship a little bit, but I'll probably explore it a little bit more tonight. But you know, I'm gonna eat in the main dining room, and you guys know the main dining room takes forever to get your food. It's like a big ordeal, 2 to 3 hours, and it's like, why does it take that long? I'm gonna do it because I normally do it the first night. We'll see how many more nights I decide to do the main dining room. I'm not sure, but yeah, so that's pretty much what we're doing. Well, what I'm doing tonight. She is loving the window. Miss Chloe loves the window, so she's occupied with that. And yeah, so I'm gonna get some rest, go eat dinner, and then I don't know, we'll see what else the night brings. But that's it for now. So you'll probably see me at dinner. Okay, so made it to the dining room. Now, the important part is how long is this gonna last? I don't know. We haven't gotten served yet. I already know what I want. This is why I go to the Windjammer, because it takes so long to get served here, but what are you gonna do? Let's time to see how long until my food comes. Good evening.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Let's see how long it takes. So I got the chicken with carrots, broccoli, and some potatoes. So the food came out actually pretty quick. I would say within like 20 minutes, 20-25 minutes. Didn't take long at all. So bravo Mariner, food came out on time. I appreciate it. Now I'm gonna eat it. Ooh. Hey guys, okay, so dinner was great, yummy, came fast. Thank you, Mariner, I appreciate that. So now I'm outside and I'm just like, okay, let me go outside. The ship is rocking and I'm like, what's going on? So I go back, I come outside and then I see this beautiful ship. I don't know if I can see that. You see it in the background. Carnival. Now, I don't know what ship it is. I'm gonna look it up, but it's a Carnival ship and it's just like lit up, bright, and it's going like the same speed. We're both going, okay? Let me see if I can get you guys a better look at that ship. I don't know what ship it is, but let me see. Let me see if I can zoom in, but you see it? It's lit up out there in the dark. And they going fast because we definitely going fast because our ship is rocking. I want to say Horizon, but I don't know. It could be, no, I don't know what it is actually. But I'll find out when I find out what ship it is. I'll let y'all know. In the meantime, it's like almost 10 o'clock. I was in the Star Lounge. Chloe's crying. She's gonna see if we wanted to do that karaoke, but I don't know. Not sure. But yeah, it's just so pretty out there. That Carnival ship. I don't know which one it is, but I'll definitely let you know. So yeah, Chloe ain't having it right now. It's almost 10 o'clock. I'm tired. I might just go back to the room, go to sleep. If I do, you'll see me there. So, okay, you guys, this concludes day 1 embarkation here on Mariner of the Seas. I didn't give you much. I'm sorry, but I was sleepy. And I'm in the bathroom because the baby sleeps, so I don't want to wake her. But this is going to be the end of this video. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content because I definitely have it coming. And make sure you stay tuned because day 2 is coming up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.